Assalamualaikum, it's me Inshal once again with you. Today we are going to start another chapter in our series, and in this chapter, in this series, in this episode, we are going to learn a little bit about variables. Okay, what a variable is, how it works, what are the functions of a variable, and a little bit more about it. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing is that what is a variable? Okay, a variable is like a labeled box that stores information. Okay, just suppose we are playing a game to remember numbers. Okay, but you do not remember them, you just put all the numbers in boxes, in different boxes. Okay, so those boxes are called as variables. Okay, anything that can store info is known as a variable. Here we have some sort of variables, like age is a variable. Okay, score is a variable. These all are variables, and when we store any sort of information in a box, it is called as information. Why do we use variables? Okay, this main thing why do we use variables is that it helps the computer to remember things. Okay, it's just simple that you take notes. Okay, we are humans, we take notes, so does the computer. Okay, we give the computer some sort of variables, it remembers them. That's simple, that's all. That is why the variable is important. Now what are the types of variable? There are some types of variable that we will discuss in this video. Number one is int, also known as integer. We know any whole number, okay, or any integer either in plus or minus, that is integer, and that sort of information, that sort of numbers are stored in in variable type called int. Okay, another one is a double. What is a double? A double is used when we do not have some discrete terms, okay, discrete numbers, but we have something in decimals, in points. Then is the time when we use double. So this was the basic difference between both of the types of variable. Now variable declaration. What is meant by declaration? Declaration means to declare something. Okay, we declare the variable, we give it a name. Okay, and that sort of thing is very important, because when you're making some new boxes, okay, like in a game we make new boxes, and if you're making them, we need to name them, we need to know what sort of thing is present in them. Okay, so that thing is known as declaration. When we declare a variable, it is known as declaration of variable. Now variable initialization. Why variable? What is the variable initialization? Variable initialization means to initialize a variable. Okay, to give the variable some sort of info to start off. If we do not give it, then there can be a bug, there can be an error, or the computer can put any random error, any random number, any random information in a variable, and we do not want that to happen. That is why we use initialization. Okay, that is why variable initialization is very important. Now assignment statement. Okay, we can change what is inside a variable. Okay, if we have made a variable, that variable is not something that we cannot change, that's not a constant. Okay, variable means anything that can be changed, so we can change anything that is inside a variable. If we have said that my age is 18, okay, but now if after an year I'll be 19, then I can say that my age is 19. The age will be changed from 18 to 19, so we change the variable. So we can do that, we can change the variables, and that is why that is what assignment statement is. Okay, now increasing a variable. Okay, increasing a variable means to increase a variable. Okay, yeah, that's simple. We just sum some numbers, add some numbers, and that is means increasing a number. If I say my current age is 18 years and some months, like 7-8 months, but after 3 to 4 months I say just add 4 months in my age will be 19. So we have added the numbers, we have added some information in our previous variable, and that is what increasing a variable means. Now identifiers. Identify means to identify what a name is. Okay, you give variable a name, it's called identification, identifiers. Okay, now rules for variable names. Okay, What are the rules for naming a variable? A variable is a box. Okay, now what are the rules to name that box? Okay, for suppose there is a box in which I have stored some balls. Okay, I cannot name it a box full of bats. Okay, I cannot name that. That will be wrong, that will be an error. I have to name that a box full of balls. So that is when uh, these names come from. Okay, now we need to name them. So what are the rules for that? Number one, can start with a letter or underscore. We have to start it with either a letter or an underscore. Okay, underscore is a symbol. If we do not use that, other than these two, our variable will be incorrect. That won't work. There will be an error. If we start with a letter or with a number, there will be an error. If we use spaces, there will be an error. Okay, so we cannot do that. We have to start it with either underscore or with a letter, and we cannot use spaces. Now, C++ is a case sensitive language. Okay, what case sensitive is? Case sensitive means that it identifies age, capital letters and small letters differently. Okay, if I write age, age in capital letters and age in small letters, both of these will be different, will be read differently by the compiler of C++. Okay, so it is a case sensitive language, so we need to keep that in mind. Now uh, let's go for why initializing variables. I told you earlier that it is very important, because if not, then it can enter any random number, and we do not want that to happen. And that random number can change every time, will change every time. If the compiler gives 500 once, for the next time it can give 700 or something else. So we do not want that to happen. We want consistency, and we want the thing to be in a way that we want it to happen. Okay, so we have to initialize it. Now, lastly, most important things of this lecture. Number one, variable. A variable is a box that stores data. Int, integers, whole numbers. Okay, double, decimal numbers. These are the types of variable. Now, declaration, creating a variable. Initialization, giving us the first value of the variable to the variable. Assignment, changing a value. Identifiers, variable names. Now, variables can also be used in calculations. As I told you earlier, we can either add it, we can subtract it, we can multiply it, we can divide it, we can do anything with that. Okay, so simple math rules are also applied here. Now, this was all about variables. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.